Day 7 and we're in Tobago. I started the day with a quick gym session and then we walked to the port and got a taxi to Pigeon Beach. It's a very popular private beach and you've got to pay a few dollars to get in. It also gets very busy. We got here at about 11 o'clock and all the sunbeds were sold out. And luckily the sand is nice and soft so you could just lay your beach towel and sunbathe. We cooled down with some delicious cocktails from the bar on the beach and then came across a vendor who said he could do a private glass boat tour for us. This was perfect because we only had 1 hour. We didn't see any turtles but we saw some fishes and some beautiful coral. We stopped in the middle of the sea at Nylon Pool for a little swim. It was nice to have the private boat. Normally these boat tours are about 2 to 3 hours long. The taxi was waiting for us for when we were ready. We then headed straight back to the ship for some more sunshine and sunsets before getting ready for our final night on the cruise ship. We also had our final photo outside and it was windy but warm. A great 7-night cruise.